duckbill. Whoa, whoa, you sent me that duckbill. Oh, but my box was so damaged that I couldn't even include it in this unboxing. Whoa.
FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing. The box I got had my address so clearly labeled on it, and the box was so destroyed that this is going to be like the dog shit unboxing, okay? This is the ATK Duckbill Mousepad. This will be a short one. Here we go. It comes in a cardboard box and rolled up. I had to pay $50 for this fucking thing. Okay, it's in a sleeve. You guys understand that? It's in this fucking... Oh my god, that shocked the hell out of me. Wow. Alright. Let's get this knife out of here, yeah? We'll get the knife out of there so I don't cut my shit. Let's get this knife folded up, too. We'll get this knife out of here so we get it nice and flat here. Give her a little... Oh, that's fast as hell. Holy moly. Alright, that's a pretty colorway. That's very fast. The stitching is recessed. Wow, that's nice. Padded, kind of. It's very firm padding. It's like soft but firm. Not fast on the reactive force. This is so fast. I have like another fast pad I'm opening today. Yeah. That's what I gotta say. Alright. You guys take it easy. This is a very simple, fast unboxing of the ATK Duckbill. You guys have a wonderful day.